Talking is one of the most important developmental milestone for babies, like any other developmental milestone such as walking. Encouraging talking skills is very vital and is very easy, like listening and responding to your baby. You can do this by sharing stories, singing songs or rhymes, and even talking about your day with your child. And this will all help your baby learn, practice language, and also help to establish a strong bonding relationship with your baby. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. Before we get actually started, I would like to thank you to all of you for your continuous love and support. If you are new here, you are most welcome. I would like to highly request you to join our beautiful family by subscribing our channel. All babies are different, so they develop language at different rates. Some will learn quickly and others might need a bit more time. The more words children hear, the more words they can learn. My baby is 23 months old now and she started to speak at very early age. Now, by the grace of God, she can use 4 or more words in a sentence at a time. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my personal experience on how I helped my baby to talk and some of the research that I have done and learned from my family or friends. So, without further ado, let's get started. Talking is one of the most important developmental milestone for babies, like any other developmental milestone such as walking. From 3 to 18 months, baby's speech develops dramatically. So you can help your baby to learn to talk as per the age of your baby. Firstly, let's talk from 0 to 6 months of age. You can hold your baby close and try to do the eye contact and talk to them. You can even make funny faces and laugh. Babies love faces and will watch you and respond as you talk. Chat to your baby about the things you are doing around the house. I used to chat with my baby since she was born. I used to explain everything and every time whatever I was doing, such as feeding her, changing her clothes or nappy, massaging her, bathing her, or getting ready her to go out for a walk, or I am going to the children's center, or even if I am cleaning or cooking and so on. Whatever you are doing at home, just let them know. Singing rhyme to your baby is one of the best and exciting way to teach baby of different things as well as to talk. It even works for adult as well. Sometimes if we have to do study or things that are hard for you to remember, then if you convert those things or link those things into your favorite song, then it will be very easy for you to remember and you won't forget it easily. Trust me, I have applied this technique when I was studying and this really helped me. No matter whatever you are speaking, try to speak in full sentences so that it will encourage your baby when they grow older. I hope this video is useful to some of you, and if it is, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share, because sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.